Day 1 of getting 1% better every day, where I share simple, healthy, holistic habits to step into your wellness era. Today, we're starting the habit of drinking water first thing in the morning. This helps hydrate and nourish your body after a long night's sleep to improve digestion, boost your energy levels, and support your immune system. If you're already in the habit and want to up-level it, you can add sole or a pinch of pink salt to boost hydration and replenish electrolytes. Share this with a friend so we can all feel our healthiest this year. See you tomorrow! Day 2 of getting 1% more holistic every day, and today we're adding in meditation. Meditation can reduce stress, increase focus, and improve sleep, and it can also lower blood pressure, boost your immune system, and reduce chronic pain. Just search for a meditation on YouTube and set 5 to 10 minutes aside for yourself. Comment a heart if you're in. Day 3 of getting 1% more holistic every day, and today we're making our own air freshener. Fill a quarter cup of witch hazel or alcohol into a 300 ml bottle and top the rest with water. And then 30 drops of your favorite essential oil. I'm using a calming sleep blend because I love it. I spray it on my bed, but use whichever oil you want and enjoy that fresh, non-toxic aroma.